guys, today I will be sharing how to make the best mango chiffon cupcake. This is the end product that you will have once you follow the recipe. The ingredients in this recipe is easy to find and easy to make. So I hope you give this a try. For the ingredients, we need 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 6 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 cup of oil, 6 tablespoons of water, 1 1/4 cup of cake flour, and 4 egg yolks. To begin, we'll combine the dry ingredients. So that's cake flour, baking powder, and salt. Set this aside. We will sift this later. Combine the sugar and the egg yolks. Give it a mix. Add the vanilla as well. Continue whisking this until the mixture is light pale yellow. At this point, we can add the oil while whisking continuously. Then add the water. And then continue whisking this until the sugar is all dissolved. Now we can sift in the dry ingredients. Then just mix until everything is well combined. For the meringue, we need 6 tablespoons of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of cream of tartar, egg whites. So using a handheld mixer, whisk the egg whites, add a 1/2 teaspoon of cream of tartar, and then gradually add the sugar. Once the sugar is all in, continue beating this until you reach the stiff peak stage, just like this. Now add the meringue into the egg yolk batter in 2 or 3 additions using the folding method. And this is now ready. So I have a cupcake pan lined with parchment paper, and I'm going to fill each hole about 3/4 of the way full, or about halfway full, because this one will expand nicely. Your oven should be preheated at 170 to 175 degrees Celsius. And we're going to bake this again at 170 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until when you insert the skewer in the middle of the cupcake and the skewer comes out clean. This is what they look like after baking. Now once it is baked, take it out of the baking pan straight away. So I have 4 small mangoes in here. I'm using 4 because they're quite small, but if you have 2 large mangoes, you can use that. So I cut the mangoes. I'm only using the cheek parts. So cut the mango or slice the mango into small cubes. So this is the ingredients that we need for the mango filling. So this is all the mangoes that I have. To this, I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoons of corn flour or cornstarch, and then 1/3 cup plus 1 tablespoon of sugar. With the sugar, you can increase or decrease this depending on how sweet the mango is. So this I'm going to cook until this becomes clear, or the liquid becomes clear. Just like this. Transfer it into a bowl. 109 grams of egg whites, 218 grams of sugar, and 327 grams of butter. To begin, combine the sugar and the egg whites. We're going to cook the egg whites and sugar over a double boiler. What we're looking for here, for all the sugar is dissolved. Once all the sugar is dissolved, you can take this out of the heat and start mixing using an electric mixer or a handheld mixer. We're waiting for this to cool down. Once this meringue cools down, we can add the butter slowly. This is the Swiss meringue buttercream. Continue mixing this until the icing is light and smooth. At this point, it is ready. We can add in the mango filling. I add about 4 heaping tablespoons of the mango filling. At this point, this is now ready. I'm going to transfer this into a piping bag. For the cupcakes, this is optional. I'm just creating a hole in the center using an apple corer. If you don't have an apple corer, you can use knife. Don't discard the trimmings. We're gonna use that to cover later. To this, I'm going to pipe in the mango filling. This is optional again. Now with the trimmings, cover the top. So I place the icing in a piping bag. This is a Tico 824 because we need a bigger piping tip so the mango can come out easily, or the mango chunks can come out. And then on the top of each one, I'm putting mango filling. Optional, if you have sprinkles, you can add a little bit. And this is the finished product. This is so good. I can guarantee that you're going to love this, and it's so easy to make. It will only take you about 1 to 1.5 hours to make this. So I hope you give this a try. Please do like and subscribe to my channel if you're new. Click the notification bell. And just to show you what it looks like inside the cupcake. This is very light and fluffy. Again, thank you so much, and I'll see you again next week. Bye!